Thank you, bro.
Got it. Hey guys, I'm here with a new tutorial. I'm gonna be doing the dance. Alright guys, let's get started. Here's how I go. First step, you're gonna put your foot out to the right. You wanna make sure you're on your tippy toe. And you wanna turn your heel this way. Alright? So, 1. Then you're gonna turn your foot, pivot. You're gonna turn your heel in. You're gonna step backwards. Alright? So, 1, 2, 1, 2. Like that, alright? We're gonna do it again. Tippy toe, heel turns. You're gonna pivot in. You're gonna turn this way. Alright? So you're gonna do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna switch over to the other side. And you're gonna start out with your heel turning. And you're gonna bring this foot in the back of your right leg. Alright? So one more time. Alright? So 1, 2, 3. And then you gotta open out and pit this foot behind your right leg, alright? Then the next step is to shuffle. So you're gonna go to the left, boom. Then to the right, boom. Then after that, you're gonna wanna step forward, front, back, slide. Alright, so we're gonna start from the top. So 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna pivot to the other side, boom. Left, right. Then you're gonna step front and back. And make sure when you step, you like turn your ankles in, like this. You know, like basically like the jaywalk, like that, alright? So one more time. So front, back. You're gonna jump up, then slide. Alright, now next part is Memphis. This thing is called Memphis joking. So I'm gonna go to the right side first, the left side, then you wanna glide, push.
2 hours later.
Push, push, push. So basically, like if you guys don't know how to glide, it's a really easy step. Basically you wanna work on like pushing side to side. And you wanna do this in a circle, alright? So you're gonna start from your right side, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Alright. So we're gonna start this again. One more time. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, front, back, slide. Then you're gonna Memphis. Right, left, you're gonna push. Ooh. And then you're gonna hit this move. You don't know how to hit that move. I can't help you. He can though. But I don't know what that move is called. What's that move called?
I somebody know this about this bit.
Thank you. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna start from the top. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, front, back, slide. Then Memphis, glide, then Dancin. The next part is the steady part, alright? So you're gonna start off kicking to your right side. So you're gonna kick, boom, to the right, boom, to the left, alright? Then you wanna kick front, back, front. Then you wanna clap under your right leg, boom. Then your left leg, boom. Then back. Then you're gonna turn and clap under. Alright, so one more time. So right, left, front, back, right, left, back, under. Then you're gonna drop. You're gonna hop on your right leg. Make sure this left leg is up. You're gonna pause and turn it this way. Alright. Then when you're gonna drop back down, you're gonna swipe. Yeah, your right leg with your left hand. Then your left leg with your right hand. Then you want to open out. Boom. Then you'll come back. Boom. right? And then that's the end of the dance. So we're gonna do it one more time, all right? So right, left, front, back, right, left, back, under, boom, stop, turn to right, left, right, open out, then boom. All right, so now if you want to take a little pause real quick so you guys could go back and learn what you missed out on, and then we're gonna do the final product. All right, final thing. So 3, 2, 1. And nothing so bad. Then Memphis, push, pull, then now, left, front, back, right, left, back, right, top, turn to the right, left, right, out. And that's the end of the dance, all right? I'm gonna try it with music real quick. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So you gotta chill out, you can be like, that's the end of the dance. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other tutorials you want me to do, and I got you guys. So if you guys want to learn Afrobeat, more sturdy, more hip hop, just let me know in the comments below, and I got you. See, guys, I told you he's a bully.
No way. No way. He set me up like, what? No, I'm not a bully. It was him.
You a snitch. You a snitch.
Yeah, that's not gonna bite.
Oh, no. So, guys, yeah, you know, NYC, we got pet rats out here. See, look, she threatening me. See, so now, see, look. See, all of them hitting me. See that? Abusive. And then you got this guy here. Yeah, really battling him, but he don't want no smoke. You know what I'm saying? See, look, he's soft. Yeah, he don't want no smoke. You know, he don't want battle. You know what I'm saying? Oh, not your battle.
One K.